In this educational moment, we're going to talk about KPIs, key performance indicators. And the maxim here is to measure what you treasure or inspect what you expect. I know you've heard those kinds of ideas before, but it's really important that we have a concrete understanding of what we want to see in return for the investment that we make in time and money in our BNI experience. We can track our KPIs through the BNI Connect, and I'm going to walk you through some reminders, and for some of you newbies, this might be the first time you've seen this, but how to engage the BNI Connect site and begin tracking your progress. Now, I will say that one of the most important things for us to do is actually have concrete goals in writing. So if you don't have those, I would encourage you to take a moment, maybe just spend an hour this evening and write down what it is you really want to get out of BNI. For example, my goals in my first year for BNI this year, I want to get myself out of my office. I'm a content developer and I could hole up in my little office all day long. Secondly, I want to begin releasing a lot of my content work to real human beings and getting their feedback and engaging them with the value propositions I'm developing. And then thirdly, I want to begin developing a base of business that I can grow from in the years to come. So my goals may be different from your goals, but it's important that whatever your goals are, that they are concrete and they are in writing where you can revisit them time and again. So now let's go to the BNI Connect and see how to begin tracking your goals using this great tool. The first thing I would encourage you to do is to bookmark all of your BNI sites. I have my BNI sites in a folder. I've got the local BNI East Tennessee chapter, I've got the BNI International site, and then I have BNI Connect. That makes it easy for me to simply go click on the site and it comes up. Now I also have stored my password to my site so that it is literally a one-click setup for me to get into the section of BNI Connect that I want. So here it is, My BNI Business. My BNI Business is the tab where I will be able to input and track the main KPIs that I want to measure. Now, I will point out also there are other things about BNI Connect. For example, I can look at details on my chapter. If I wanted to email the whole chapter, I could click on that and up comes the email addresses for the whole chapter. I can look at a lot of different summaries, including the chapter traffic lights, which give us a sense of how we're doing year to date and allows us to see how we're doing as a group compared to all the different chapters that are out there. I can look at the Network tab to see who my connections are, what documents I have as a part of the chapter, events that are coming up. I can go into my profile page as well, and this is where, in effect, I can build out my gains report, inserting all the kind of information about myself, about my business. So there is a lot to do and a lot to use here in BNI Connect that will help us measure our progress as we go. This educational moment, though, I'm going to only focus on the BNI business. Now, what I want to show you about this is every one of us have an immediate tracking of our revenue received, thank you for closed business, referrals received, referrals given, and the like. The main thing that I want to leave you with then is to make sure you put your data into your BNI Connect. You want to submit referral slips. You also want to submit your thank you for closed business when you obtain business. And you also want to make sure you track your one-on-ones. And that is a way that you can measure your progress. You may be making more progress than what you really can measure on your report simply because you're not putting your data in there. So let me encourage you to track your KPIs, look at how well you're measuring what you treasure, that you are inspecting what you're expecting, and you'll set yourself up for a much more productive BNI experience. That is today's educational moment. I hope this has been of some help for you. You can always find details and the slides and downloads at createbusinessbreakthroughs.com/BNI, and I'll see you next time right here for another educational moment. This is Brad Hobbs.